Have you ever stopped and wondered, why isn't your financial condition improving? No matter how much you earn, you haven't been able to save a dime at the end of the month. Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you 3 simple but proven ways to manage your money efficiently to turn your life around. But before that, please like this video, it's free and it will inspire me and my channel to grow. Now let's dive into our video. Number 1. The 10% rule. The rule is simple. Whatever you are spending should not cost more than 10% of the amount you have in your bank account. Let's say you would like to buy a new iPhone 13 Max Pro, which costs more than $1,000. Now, if you don't have at least $10,000 in your bank account, you shouldn't buy it. Because at the end of the day, you won't be able to afford it. Number 2. The 50-30-20 rule. In finance, this helps many to spend, save and invest in the long run. The rule is simple. Take your monthly take-home income and divide your monthly after-tax income into 3 spending categories. 50% of needs, 30% of wants, and 20% of savings or paying off debt. Sounds confusing? Allow me to make it simple for you. Let's say your monthly income is $5,000. Now, 50% of $5,000 is $2,500, which you will spend for the entire month on your basic needs, such as food, shelter, shopping, medical treatment, education, etc. Now, 30% of $5,000 is $1,500, which you will spend on your want. If you would like to know more about differences between needs and want or Maslow's hierarchy of need theory, please write down a comment below. Coming back to our topic. The rest of the amount is $1,000, which is 20% of $5,000. You can use it as your savings. You might be thinking, is it really that simple? Yes, you guessed it. It's really that simple. Anyone can manage their financing efficiently with these amazing methods. All you need is motivation and a little push. That's why I'm here. Number 3. The 3 golden rules of money management. Rule number 1. Don't spend more than you make. If you always spend less than you earn, your finances will always be in good shape. Understand the difference between needs and want, live within your income, and don't take in any unnecessary debt. It's really that simple. Rule number 2. Always plan for the future. Get into the habit of saving money by paying yourself first. On payday, transfer money to your savings account even before you pay bills. Many banks will let you set up a recurring transfer from checking to savings through online banking, so you can save money automatically. Planning for the future means preparing for the unexpected, and building up an emergency fund is the best way to handle life's unforeseen expenses. Rule number 3. Help your money grow. Once your savings start to build, you should find ways to grow your money through investing. This is especially important for long-term saving strategies such as retirement planning. There are many investment tools available at various levels of risk, but always make sure you thoroughly understand the kind of product you're investing in. Remember, time is on your side for your retirement and other long-term goals when you start saving and investing as much as you can, as early as you can. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like this video and comment your thought and what topic you would like to see in the future.